G'day folks.
Welcome to the jungle and we are
Fun and games.
So here we are in our local Hughesdale environment. As you can see, the grass has grown enormously throughout the past 12 months we've been here. As you can see, we've got wildlife just to your right. Just here. Shh, don't spook it. Oh, it's gone. If you listen carefully, you can even hear the vehicles across the road. Listen. Can you hear that? Sounds like a skyline. Okay. Now, what we're about to do today is something we haven't ever thought about during this renovation period, which is to cut the grass. As you can see, it has grown and we have a living jungle in our backyard. Now, this task is not going to be easy. It will be mundane. It will be
Dangerous.
So what I have done is I'm going to prepare myself for the long battle ahead. So if you'll join me, let us begin. This is no game. This is the jungle. We're not messing around here. Okay, you can stop it now. Hopefully that went alright.